up. Make sure say when you post me video, you talk it through them when me talking. You know, see somebody just tag say KingMixUp over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the KingMixUp. Make sure KingMixUp, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
Okay, people, I have some good news for you today, because, you know, a lot of you has been asking me, you know, what happened to Spice? Any update on Spice, you feel me? And I wasn't able to give any. You see me, I said more than that. You know, the IG page said that she got the hernia and all of this stuff. Based off of my conclusion, I didn't feel that was her that wrote that, but Richie Feelings well, he did respond. Richie Feelings posted up a message with him and Spice, obviously, taken recently. I don't know if it was today or not, but people, this is definitely Spice, and she sounds like she is all right. Mentally, you feel me? I don't know about physically, because you know she postponed the show and all of these stuff, but yeah, this is how the message go. He said, bite, well, not him. She said, bite me. He never shed a tear. You know, lose a pound. And him said, Bumbleclad, like, you know, he's happy to hear from good friend. You see me, I said. And he said, have a nice evening. And she said, my video call you and you look the same. No little stress, so you're not tech sick. No cold, sweat, nah, I wash you. So, oh, you love me. Move your blood clot. You see me, I said. And he said, I have to post that part upon IG and show them, oh, you're wicked. Move your blood clot, you see me? So I think this is Richie's feelings way indirectly to let the people them know, said the queen is here to stay. Because you know a lot of people was wishing, yeah, I mean, X, Y, and Z, you see me, I say. But he said, see, why me after? He said, see, why me and I can't agree. Guess a who, but we already know a who. You see me, I say, Richie Feelings wouldn't play with the fans' them emotions, you know. We still don't know what happened to Spice, so him saying don't believe everything you read is a fair statement, you know. I mean, him not wanting to go into her business, you see me, I say, and letting the world know she have any type of illness or medical dysfunction, you know, them things they're private, you feel me? But I'm glad that he's able to show what he did show. I concluded that does sound like Spice. We can see the difference in vocabulary used. It's semi people. So this is why people is like, yo, we don't feel like Spice that, you know, what's going on with our artists, you feel me? So I just thought, you feel what I'm saying? If anything more, we'll keep on it posted, you see it. So let's go on to the next. Well, I don't know if it's true or not, but the rumors is circulating that Jahshii and Star, you know, Lincoln Tree, that ex-girlfriend, you know, even though they're first cousins, kissing cousins, but we already know that story, you know what I mean? But the people them said Jahshii and Star is an item, you feel me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. And he put on a scare today, you know, because it made it seem like she was getting kidnapped and all of this stuff and things at the airport. So I got to take a look and see if they're together or this is just like a publicity stunt, because, you know, who not dip in the water and say them baptized and all them ish. You know, I mean, we can't tell with them artists here, so let's take a look.
Final boarding call for all remaining passengers boarding inter-Caribbean flight JY251. Passengers are asked to make their way down to get them across the boarding. Thank you.
Jesus Christ. Don't even got no service.
You don't have service.
Hang on, we're telling your followers to join. Yeah, I don't think I have service. You guys, I'm stuck in Jamaica. I hate it here. And y'all know I love Jamaica. Why am I still here?
Calm down.
And then he's leaving. So I'm just stuck here doing nothing. And he leaving. They didn't say no fun. Look at everybody is sitting over there doing nothing. His flight said 9:30. It's 9:47. Nobody is going nowhere. He did this on, you know what? It's funny. Yesterday we was working on something and he said, "Oh, I'm gonna make you miss your flight" as a joke. But now I know you weren't joking. You see, he's smiling about it. Oh, thank you. Rich Badness. Is the sale still going on? No, the sale was yesterday, but I'll have another one on Monday. Right now I'm just trying to get home and figure myself out. But you know, some people, they're haters in life. Not pointing the camera at no faces, but can you hear me now? Can you hear now? Damn, I'm sorry.
Putting in the comment section, do these people have a music video? Boy. But besides any other thing that people, do you think they will make a good couple? You see me, I say, putting in the comment section, you see it. So let's proceed. People, this is what the people in the diaspora is talking about. You know, people crossing the border and making a bad name for themselves and the rest of the Jamaicans, them you side. Boy, oh boy, people, you know where I try to get Ivani out of, you know, a situation so she can, you know, taste the American dream, you see me? Well, you know, Natty has been trying to help her, you feel what I'm saying? But I think that's going to stop, because Natty has been arrested for stealing, you feel me? As you can see, the sender said, so Natty reached in a store and a thief and get locked up. All of them come farming to do the same thing. All of them need to go home. Listen, I say, oh boy. So let's take a look at what I want from another one. So this is the mugshot, you feel me? But one time I did do the review, said not to cross the border, and she told me that she was born in America. You see me, I say, but nevertheless, she was booked 11/23. You see me, I say. Obviously that was 3 days ago. You see me. Boy. People putting in the comment section, was that Thanksgiving Day or not? You feel me? Because, you know, I got OCD and I got to check. Okay, so she got locked up the day before Thanksgiving. Wow. You see me? I say, And she got released on Thanksgiving Day, so at least she get for some turkey and things. But it looked like Natty legit in America, because as you can see right there, it says hold for other agencies and you see none. Unlike with J-Man, you know, he has a hold on him, you feel me? Because but I still want to give them quick update here on the weekend. You see me, I said, pick up yourself, Mama Spice, you know what I mean? So like I said, people will have to wait till December 10th to see if she's going to make that show. You know what I mean? But like I said, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.